when you receive the Micsig Smart Series oscilloscope. Do not open right away. Check the package to see any damage. Open the plastic bag. There are calibration certificate, packing list, quick guide and QC pass. Then take out oscilloscope. Remove the sealed plastic. Do not turn on scope with sealed plastic. It will block the heat dissipation of the fan behind. Then find the power switch lock. It is to prevent accidental turn on. It is set to OFF by factory. Let's switch to on. And then press power button to turn it on. The other interfaces are grounding jack, probe calibration port, and we also have the USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 connector, HDMI port, USB Type-C, and DC 12V power port. Let's open the back stand. When you hear the voice, then the scope sits solidly on the table. Now we take out the accessory box. There are adapter, power cord localized, standard probe kit. Open the probe kit. We have the manual, BNC probe, screw stick, color ring, ground pin needle, IC test protector. Now we'll show you how to calibrate the compensation probe and how to measure simple signals with oscilloscope. Take the probe. Connect the BNC to channel 1. Rotate this metal ring. The probe will be fixed. Same thing, rotate the ring to unplug the probe. Then press the probe head. Shows up the hook. Connect the hook to the calibration port. Be aware the lower one is output. Upper one is ground. Then press auto button on the scope. Scope will complete setting automatically. We can also adjust the vertical scale and time base, or drag the waveform up and down to display the signal to comfortable position. When signal shows like the yellow square on channel 1, then the probe compensation has no problem. We can fit the probe with color ring to match channel color. Easy to identify. Then connect both channel 2 and channel 3. Like the blue one and purple one, showing there is overcompensation and undercompensation. Case like this means the probe needs to calibrate. Find the screw stick in probe kit. Stick into the hole and rotate to adjust slowly. Check the waveform changes until you see a flat edge. Remove the tip cover. Put on IC test kit. Able to measure spot on the circuit and see a DC signal from the oscilloscope. When we testing signal, try use short ground lead as possible, such as the ground pogo pin. And ground should close to signal source, so to greatly reduce interference and improve signal fidelity. For more Micsig scope knowledge, welcome to visit our website, www.micsig.com.